Hi guys, Randy will show us what he has accomplished this morning. Randy, what have you accomplished this morning? Yung
Cage ng chicken.
okay, we'll check out the cage of the chicken. Parang may ilog na dito ah. Here oh. Pwede na tayo mag-alaga ng ducks. Kabila. Wow, look at that. Look at that. For a start. Okay. It's the cage. Talagang ginamit ang floor rug namin. Kailangan ko yan. Talagang bakit siya na ginamit? Ang carpet ni Ate Lita. Okay.
Kasi nang mainit yan.
Yeah, but
Ang kailangan po ng chicken, lalo't sisig.
kaya nga tinatanong ko kung gusto nyo ng yung insulator. Temporary lang naman, okay?
Mas maganda nila kasi yun na mainit.
Okay.
Wala nakapasok na hangin yung chicken na ilalagay nyo.
Okay, and then we have extra like this. What do we do with this?
Sa duwa pa po kami.
One more. So, okay, we have one more kama. Okay. Let's do it. This can contain how many chickens?
20 pieces po.
20 pieces. Okay. Sige. Bye, guys.